Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix this app could not be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So if you're seeing this error when you're trying to install an app on your iPhone, what you're gonna have to do is make sure that you have the latest iOS version installed on your iPhone. So simply go to settings and then go to general. Then simply tap on software update at the top, and then basically you're gonna have to install the latest version of iOS. Now after you do that, so what you're gonna have to do next is simply go back to settings and then scroll down, and then you're gonna have to simply go back to general, and here scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. So if you are using an iPhone from work or school, you're gonna have to tap on sign in to work or school account. So you're gonna have to sign in into those accounts in order to be able to install apps. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.